Alright, here is the first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series. All these images have been leaked on X and in many other platforms. And as you can see, we've got three different watches here: the Galaxy Watch 8 Regular, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. This time you can see all the watches with similar design language. We get to see the more rounded squircle shape, which resembles the icons on Samsung's One UI. For the last few years, we have been seeing the rounded dial on the Galaxy Watch Regular units, but this time we have got that squircle shape on this watch as well. And the rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watch Classic is back, and it kind of suits the design here. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic design has been the best so far, but now looking at the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, it definitely looks unique, and I'm pretty sure it will look much better in the naked eyes. Now, Samsung has also announced some of the new health-centric features which will be available on the Galaxy Watch 8 series. While we already have some awesome features for sleep analysis, coaching, and even detecting sleep apnea, the big news is the new bedtime guidance feature. This isn't just a generic reminder. Your watch will now analyze your last 3 days of sleep, factoring in how much sleep you need and your natural body clock to give you a personalized, optimal bedtime. It'll even send you reminders to help you stick to it, which is of course super helpful for anyone trying to get their sleep back on track after inconsistent schedules. Here the goal is to help you consistently get restful sleep, leading to a healthier and more energized tomorrow. The second feature is vascular load, and here is how this works. While you're sleeping, your watch will actually measure the amount of stress on your vascular system. That's basically all the blood vessels in your body that are key for heart health. Ideally, this stress should go down when you're asleep, but if it's fluctuating too much, it can be a sign of poor cardiovascular health. The Galaxy Watch 8 will track this while you're wearing it overnight, giving you insights into your vascular system's health. And it will even connect those insights to other lifestyle factors like your sleep, exercise, and stress levels to help you build healthier habits. That is awesome, isn't it? Next, we've got an all-new running coach. If you're a runner, whether you are just starting out or aiming for a marathon, this is for you. It's designed to help you train smart and avoid injuries by creating a personalized plan based on your fitness level. All you have to do is wear your watch and run for 12 minutes, and it will analyze your performance and give you a running level score. From there, you will get a detailed training program for a 5K, 10K, half or full marathon, complete with real-time motivation and guidance to help you reach your goals and unlock new challenges. Lastly, we have got antioxidant index. Basically, our bodies are constantly dealing with free radicals, which are these unstable molecules that can damage our cells and make us age faster, especially from things like stress, smoking, or too much of sun. But luckily, we do have antioxidants from healthy foods like fruits and veggies that fight off these free radicals. Your new Galaxy Watch will measure the carotenoids, a type of antioxidant found in those colorful foods, directly in your skin in just 5 seconds using its special sensor. This gives you a quick snapshot of your antioxidant levels, and the coolest part is it can show you how your habits like drinking carrot juice actually impact your body, giving you that extra push to make healthier choices for healthy aging. These are some pretty cool new health-centric features coming on Galaxy Watch 8 series. Let me know, what do you think? How excited are you about the Galaxy Watch 8 design and the new health-centric features? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to become a part of Apex community to know your devices better, and I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button as well. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.